Good Monday! It's been about a week and a half. I've been sick. I'm still a little sick. We gotta try to make some comfort food. I have no idea what this is gonna taste like. This is a little bit weird. Corned beef enchiladas. We're using condensed mushroom soup. Canned chilies. This is from a Spam Hawaiian cookbook from 1987, but it had other recipes. The cartoon man is holding up a can of corned beef and a can of chilies. White flour tortillas, sour cream, garlic, flour, onion, cumin, milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. The only thing I'm changing is to bake the tortillas with the sauce. Add the cheese after you pull it out of the oven. I don't understand that. We're gonna put the cheese on it while it's baking. Come on. I practically never buy this. Maybe I've bought it a couple of times in my whole life. What are the ingredients? Where's the key? Are you kidding? Where's the key? Are you kidding? You're kidding. Where's the key? There's supposed to be a key, and there's no key. Somebody took the key. Mother. Where's the key? Ah! Seriously, there's no key. All right. We'll bake it in our Pyrex. We'll use our hybrid dot-clad pan. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking because I gotta find a way to open this sucker.
Which way? Ah! Hey, it's working. Hey! Okay. Alright. Hey, I'm gonna complain. I should have a key. It's working. Okay. Hi! Man, whoa! There you go. That could have been worse. Garlic, 1 clove, corned beef. Soup. We gotta add cumin. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of cumin. A tablespoon flour, sour cream. Let's see, guys. Chopped. I don't know.
with the cheese on. Come on. Why wouldn't I?
Tell me that isn't a little interesting.
In you go. Oh. Okay. 350. Oh.
Corned beef enchiladas. Boy. Oh, one. Oh, that worked. Oh. Cilantro? Hey, I don't know how cilantro is going to taste with this, honestly. Corned beef enchilada, 1987. Here we go. I have no idea what this is going to taste like. I'm not even sure pico de gallo will go with this. All right, here we go. Whoa! It's not bad. Totally corned beefy. I gotta try some with some pico de gallo though. It is a bit salty. Oh, come on. Here we go. Come on. Come on! That's weird. I'm not sure this goes with this. That's funny. I mean, that's delicious. I'm not sure it goes with corned beef though. Look at that. Look at that corned beef. Let's try it again. Corned beef enchiladas. It's not bad. I think if you're a fan of corned beef, you might really like this. It's very soft. Wow. It's weird. I'm not even sure. I think the cilantro goes with it. This is not a normal enchilada. Look how translucent that onion is. Let's try another bite. Maybe more chili. I want to take a taste of the sauce here. By itself. Sauce by itself. I like the sauce by itself. Let's try a piece with some more chili. I might just push it over the top. Totally. They are very mild. These are milder than I thought they'd be. Oh, I really like it with extra chili. Ooh. Alright. Wow. Hey, we actually made something. Oh. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Yeah. Yeah.